Hello, you've been tasked with a project. You're going to create a timeline of the 2003 conflict with Iraq, the Iraqi war for freedom. Um, you're going to be using a timeline software like Suturi, which is free for you to use, where you're going to be using Google Slides, PowerPoint, or any other visual thing that you can share that will depict your timeline. The timeline, though, needs to be historically accurate. It needs to be arranged logically. It needs to list at least 5 key events, but no more than 10. And there needs to be visual aids and elements into your timeline that helps aid in the understanding. The level of detail and design is a bonus. The better it's designed, the better your grade will be. So let's get a look at what I've done for my timeline. So I took Desert Storm. All I had to do is create a timeline. I went in here and I was able to create a timeline called Desert Storm. To create things on my timeline, it was relatively simple. All I did was I went up and down this timeline and stopped wherever that blue plus played in. And when I hit that blue plus button, I had a lot of options: headings, text, links, images, videos, multiple choice, matching audio, did you know, file, a forum, a bibliography, or a poll. I can share this timeline with a lot of different people by simply just hitting share. If I hit share on this timeline, I can share, I can make it secret, I can make it private, make it public, and I can use a link. For this event, if you use this thing, you don't have to make it public because we don't want everyone else to see how this assessment went. Make it private or secret, and make sure that you give me a can view link so I can grade your assignment. So to add things to your timeline is relatively easy. All you have to do is hit this plus. In this example, I'll show you how I made this video down here. So to make this video, I went to video. And I went into YouTube. And I searched Gulf War, which brought up a list of videos. And I picked one that was good for what I was trying to do. You pick one, hopefully short. Don't get something that's 2 hours long and put there, but something short that helps explain what you're trying to explain about that timeline. In this case, I had this video where I was trying to explain the Operation Desert Storm beginning, and this is a video from C-SPAN where President George Bush addressed the nation and told us about this war. That being said, I can also just add comments. So let me delete a few of these so you can see how easy it is to delete and rearrange some things. If I need to add something new to my timeline, hit the plus. And let's say I just want to start with kind of a comment. I can hit text. Then it's easy as just typing. And if I want to add media, then I have the choice to do so, the same as I did adding that video. And I can add anything I want to that text box. Then delete it. So to organize my project, I had a title, Desert Storm Timeline. It was historical timeline for Desert Storm. This is your demonstration. The war is brewing. I gave 3 elements that went to that war is brewing. They're in chronological order. Then the campaign starts, same deal. We have a campaign starts, and it was all about the campaign. Then I have Iraqi forces withdrawal, which is pretty much the end of the world war. Then I have that put in there for February 20th, 1991. Pretty simple. Then all I had to do was share it. So I hit share. Obviously, I kept it secret because you guys are cool to see it, but I'm not too sure I want everyone seeing it quite yet. Then I hit copy, and I was able to spread this link out for you to see. Good luck on your timeline. I look forward to seeing what you created. Like I said, it doesn't have to be Suturi. It can be Google Slides. It can be any other program that's shareable and viewable that gets your timeline across. Thanks again, and good luck with your project.